How to transfer money from Atlantic Bank to Belize Bank. Follow my instructions. If you need to send money from your Atlantic Bank account to a Belize Bank account, you can do it easily. Transfers can be made through online banking, the mobile app, or directly at a branch. Here's how you can make the transfer step by step. Start by logging into Atlantic Bank online or the mobile banking app. Use your username and password and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once logged in, go to the Transfers or Payments section on your dashboard. Select the option for Other Bank Transfer or Domestic Bank Transfer. Now enter the recipient's details, full name, account number, and the bank name Belize Bank. Double-check the information to avoid any mistakes. Enter the transfer amount and select the account you want to send money from. You may also be asked to include a short payment reference or note. Review the transfer details carefully before confirming. Some transfers may require a one-time password or security code for extra verification. Once approved, the payment will begin processing immediately. Transfers usually take 1 business day, but timing can vary depending on the bank. When the transfer is complete, you'll get a confirmation message or email from Atlantic Bank. Always save this confirmation as proof of payment for your records. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Atlantic Bank to Belize Bank. Thanks for watching.